Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Welcome back to another session of mathematics. In this session, we are going to see how to introduce multiplication to children by using manipulators, and then how to do certain sums on multiplication which normally children find it very difficult to do. Multiplication. Let us take something like 3 into 2. What are the aims? We need to first make the child understand that when we multiply something, the answer becomes bigger. And so what I would want the children to do is, when I say 3 into 2, let them take 3 coins. How many times? 2 times. Now put them together. How many do we have? We have 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. Now another very important thing that we need to teach children as far as multiplication is concerned is, we also need to tell them that 3 into 2 is the same as 2 into 3. Okay. So first what we can do is, we can ask them to find out what is 3 into 2 by using manipulators. So 3, how many times have I taken? 2 times. Put them together and keep it aside. Now what is the next thing? I want to tell them what is meant by 2 into 3. That means I am going to take 2, how many times? 3 times. Now what should they do? Because it is multiplication, they have to put them together. And how many do they have? They have 6. That means is the same as 2 into 3. So this is how initially we can teach them what is multiplication and a couple of numbers. For example, let us see how to teach them what is 4 into 4. Ask coins. How many times? And what should they do after that? See, they have taken 4 times. And what should they do after that? They have to put them together. Yes. So what happens now? You have more because you have clubbed them together. How many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That means 4 into 4 gives you 16. So once you do this, children first understand that when you multiply two numbers, your answer becomes bigger. Now children almost always have problems in remembering tables, and hence they make a lot of mistakes while working out sums based on multiplication. Let us see how to sort it out. Let us take, for example, 3 into 2, and let us see if we can use something else to find out the answer. Now when I talk of 3, what I am going to do is, I am going to take these 3 sticks. I say into 2, that means the other number is 2, that means I need to take 2 sticks, but what we need to do is ask them to place it across like this. These 2 sticks meet. They meet in 6 places. That means 3 into 2 will give you 6. They can't be using manipulators forever. So how do I transfer it into their notebook? Is there a way by which they can use the same strategy but work out sums when it comes to working it out in a notebook? Let's just take for example. Let us see how to do a multiplication sum using the same technique in a notebook. Let us take the number 4 into 2. 4. Ask the and horizontal lines. Ask them to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This way, even if they are not able to learn tables by rote, they can use this and find out the answer easily.